Just start that. Start this. Okay. It's what? 7 June. Okay, we're live. Yay! It's 7 June, Sunday, 2026. There you go. All right. You as well. It's that date right there. Okay. Now, something else I forgot before we get into this. All right. So this is about this model here. Okay. The digital model, which looks like that. I don't know how much of that you can see, but alright, like that. Alright, so now that I got that out of the way, what's this? Rubber band. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to zoom this in. So, oh great, that was great. Alright, so top of the screen, very good. Alright, so now just, okay, well, I'll just try and make this short, but this is my brief history about this. I had one of these. Yes, there's no sound, but I had taken this to a place that sells cardboard box, and I wanted to sell it. So here I am just at the place showing that I can play it, and I sold it, and that's all that's about. Alright, and that was back in, when was that? That was, the year was 2011, December 23, alright, and then just I packaged it. I took these pictures of it along with my whatever that was, so well, that's the video. Here's how I packaged it. Oh, I didn't, well, okay. Okay, well, maybe nobody will watch this. Okay, so get out of there. I didn't mean to show that, but okay, so then, and here are the pictures of when I actually tried resurfacing this thing way back when. So there's some pictures like that, this, like that, like this, like that, like that. So, whoops. So yes, I had two of these at one time, and thankfully I have this picture so I can know what the knobs look like, because I don't have the knobs for the ones I have, right? So there's that, there's this, that's the same thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there's, yeah, I don't know what this is about, but, oh. Okay. Well. Alright, get out of here, that's not, okay. And then I found this picture. Thank goodness I took this picture, because I have this right here, or I had this, the 3-6000B, that's me, and that's the other model right there that I have, that I'm working on right now. As you can see, it's got the little thing right there on the speaker grill. But I can't figure out much about it because I didn't keep very good records. Anyway, so I'm just leave it on this happy little page, and now I'm going to put the keyboard away, and then I'm going to move this camera here. Alright, so I'm going to zoom out, move the camera down to here, and I'll just take this one here and move it. That's pretty good. Alright, so yeah, is that falling? It's falling. Here, stop falling. Okay, so what I want to show you here is that I've taken this thing apart, and it fast forwards and rewinds, but it doesn't play, and I know why, and I'll show you. Okay. So here it is. This is one direction. This is the other direction, and that's play. And play, it doesn't work because this right here is the flywheel for the take-up reel. I mean, for the flywheel for the capstan. And it doesn't rotate because there's no belt on there. But it only has one motor, which is right here. So anyway, I've worked on this machine before. It's similar to other General Electrics and Sanyos. So it could be a Sanyo mechanism, I'm not certain, but because they do trade things around. But this has a separate, has two belts to the same motor, and one belt goes to wherever it makes it fast forward and rewind. And the secondary belt goes only to the flywheel, but it's both driven off the same capstan motor. That's why there's a belt that's still good that operates fast forward and rewind, but not play, because it's a fat belt like this one. Okay, it's a fat belt that goes around the motor, goes around the flywheel, and the flywheel, because it's a flat belt, has more, carries more force, torque, whatever, that it will also operate the gears that raise and lower the heads. Okay, so I've worked with this, I've repaired this design before, but I just wanted to show it to you. Oh, that's right. Turn the radio on. I don't have speakers hooked up, but let's see here. Radio is right here. So, got sound. Got stereo sound. Let's see here. That's just that speaker. And that's just that speaker, right? So, works fine. Just the cassette player doesn't work. And anyway, so that's it. So that's all I wanted to show you. It does work. I'm going to repair the cassette deck, clean it up, put it back together, and pair it up with the other digital thing, which is this one here. Alright, so that was the flashlight. So here's this one here. This one, this works, right? So anyway, that works. You put it on radio.
This is $12 adult shorts and $8 kids shorts. Yep, get $12.
Okay, so that works. This is also a General Electric digital. I just wanted to get the two of them together. Let's see here. I really can't do that now. Okay, so here's this, and here's that. And they both do the same thing, it's just same layout of buttons and everything, just a bigger area, small area, whatever. Okay, gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go finish working on this. Gonna be some time before I get to it. But I just wanted to show it to you there. All right. Okay, so and this, that fell all the way down. You've probably seen just, I don't know what you saw. Here, let me take it off of here. Okay, another snafu. Alright, so this, okay, so what's happened here? Okay, so that does that, that does that, that's the pause button, or that's the play button, that's the stop button. And it doesn't work because this right here is not moving, because there's no belt on there, which is your, wait, this is wired out, isn't it? It's wired out? Wait. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is, that's the belt. Came out of there. This looks like, and the other radio is here. Okay, so here's the other General Electric model. Alright, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. I gotta go. So, now Yeah. Okay, and that one's still running, right? So here, let me the camera fell. Okay, so this one's been repaired. 10 minutes. This one, like I said, here I'll give you up close video view. I mean, I can. What am I doing? Okay, so this is that direction. This is that direction. I hit the play again. This is that direction. Okay, but this right down here, that's the flywheel. For the rest of it, here's the motor right there, and I really can't show you the belts in there because it's just too hard to see. But there's two belts on this shaft. One turns this, but it's not turning that. But the secondary belt operates the fast forward and rewind mechanism. And I just wanted to show you that it works before I put it off. Anyway, trust you understand. Good day, bye-bye. Just wanted to get this in here and